If you're not familiar with coding, then using it in your classroom may seem like a big leap. But like any new tool, preparation and your approach make a huge difference. Here are a few practical tips before you get started. The first thing to realize is that you don't have to be an expert. Your role is to coach, not lecture. Ask questions with a curious mindset. And remember, you're not expected to have all the answers. Plan your creative coding work like any other project-based learning activity. Start by determining the learning outcomes you want to achieve. What coding or technical skills will the students develop? How will this activity support 21st century skills? What subject matter knowledge will students acquire? It's also good to balance online and offline activity. Consider how students might begin the project with some research or group discussions. This is how software developers work. Students can then progress to the coding activity and see their ideas come to life. And don't forget to make time for student reflection. No matter how well you plan, your students may encounter challenges. That's a good thing. Coding is an iterative problem-solving process. It's about asking the right questions so that your students come up with the answers through trial and error, and build resilience and critical thinking skills in the process. Using an established curriculum or creative coding tool like Vidcode is a great way to introduce coding to your classroom. But that's just a starting point for your own creativity. Consider how each coding activity might lend itself to a particular subject area that you want to address. For example, if you teach history, students could learn about military campaigns by using code to design maps. Or, in a language class, students could use code as a translation tool. Finally, before you take any activity into the classroom, give it a go yourself. It will give you a chance to make mistakes, build your own skills, and help you understand the kind of questions and problems your students might encounter. In the end, with creative coding, you'll help students make amazing things and have a real impact on their world.